My name is Rukaiya. I stand for oneness for myself and for others. I'm so grateful to get an opportunity to talk to everyone here. My journey was not so easy before joining to ISDM. But when I get into the ISDM, I realized so many things happen in a year time. Number of learnings and takeaways. I will not say one takeaway from the ISDM. There are number of takeaways I have taken from the ISDM. And the beautiful thing is my cohort was having 60 people from 24 different states with 46 languages. And that was the wonder when we are communicating among us. Though we do have so many differences, but yet we have a I will say rope of hope to be together. And that journey starts with the RTL session, and the intensity of the program itself starts with the RTL session. I do remember the people who don't want to participate into that, but yet they participate just because of it's a part of the program. And radical transformative leadership actually helped me to start my journey to reflecting in our inner side. I will say that helps me to see myself differently as a person. I was just working with this professional as a professional earlier, but how I can connect that dot with myself, that happens through the ISDM journey. And I realized that spending a time on the reflection side, having a discussion among the group and different groups, learning groups, helped me a lot to see the people in different way. I will say ISDM helped me to see the person beyond their actions. So that was really amazing point for me to see. And Ravi actually mentioned this point, learn from the people who are least like you. And that really happens. And throughout the journey, I remember every events and everything, we used to have a samosa. And our batch was a samosa batch, and that was a tag for our batch. I do remember that. After ISDM, it's completing 5 years now. After ISDM, I have been in the social sector or development sector as a practitioner leader. And this journey actually helped me. I remember the words from the Suparna, from one of the discussion with her. Trust the process itself. Journey, it's very long. You don't need to fight. I was looking for a purpose of my life, and that was a stress point for my throughout the ISDM journey. Why I'm here, why I'm doing this kind of question was troubling me a lot. But throughout the mentoring and throughout the support of the cohort as well the mentors helped me a lot to reflect back and say that it is okay to be in the process of be in the process, trust in the process, and also help others to be in that process who is not able to see them through this development sector. So that only one thought I took from the process of placement, and I applied from the for the moment I was very clear that I want to work with the youth, and that is one of the reason I choose to Lighthouse Community Foundation. And I was remembering the another statement from mentors by saying build your credibility in the sector where you will able to recognize by others, because sometimes your purpose will not come to you immediately, but it will take time. But definitely you have to be in the process and do what you can do in a best way for them. So I do have one quote for myself and even my batchmate who's shown immense resilience throughout the ISDM journey, and still they are making there in the process and trusting into the same. Though some of them are in the next level of journey, learning journey, they went out of the country for the studies and all, and वो देश का नाम तो रोशन कर ही रहे हैं, लेकिन हमारे बैच का भी नाम रोशन कर रहे हैं. So I'm so proud of you everyone. And for a cohort who is completing this graduation ceremony now, I have few words for you. Trust the process. First of all, every day is a new learning. Learning is very much needed for everyone to see yourself in a different way, to see yourself in a better version of yourself. So be in the process, learn every day. It's not needed to be academic learning, but also a learning for self-development. And trust the process. Build yourself in a way where that quote will come. खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना, खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि खुदा खुद पूछे बंदे को बता तेरी रजा क्या है. So with these words I will conclude. Thank you so much.